Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guide. This is the introduction to our new series that we are now going to start, which is going to be about modern OpenGL. Now we did do a similar series to this some time back, and while that was also about a beginner's guide to OpenGL, this time we are going to make it so that we will first of all use modern OpenGL, like as in OpenGL 4.6, and secondly the older one had some bad audio quality, so this is going to be just a better structured series as well. And this series is going to be for complete beginners, so you don't need to know anything about graphics programming or OpenGL to get into this series. So if you're just someone who knows C or C++, we are going to be using C++, but basic C knowledge would work as well, and you can of course apply this in other languages. And basically you don't need to know anything about graphics programming, but some general experience with the library like SDL or SFML will help. But apart from that, we are going to be explaining all of the concepts from the beginning. So make sure that you are like and subscribe so you get all of the updates related to this series, and make sure to share this video and this series with other people as well. And I'll see you in the next one, in which we are going to start the development of this series. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and bye.